How you doing, officer?
Yeah, man. How are you doing?
I'm great. God bless the homeless.
Now you're spreading the word, huh?
Yes, sir. God bless the homeless.
How you doing? Thank you.
Is that blood or is that?
Yeah, it's blood. Oh, I don't know what the hell happened. He was laying on the ground. I'm gonna find out right now.
Okay.
Bye.
Welcome to U.S. Bad Cops. Today we're exploring 5 shocking cases where police officers were caught in the act on camera. Don't forget to like, share, and comment to support the channel and share your thoughts on these incidents. If you like this video, press 1. On June 28, 2019, at 11:14 a.m., Officer Casey Barnum from the Greeley Police Department responded to a call at Rose Perez's apartment in Greeley, Colorado. The call was made by Rose Perez's 16-year-old son, Trey, from the apartment complex's main office. Trey reported that he had missed a court date in Adams County that morning because his mother allegedly kicked him out and refused to take him to the hearing. Officer Barnum went upstairs to the apartment and knocked on the door.
Hi. Hello.
Hi.
So we're getting a call from your son saying that you guys are kicking him out.
I actually just got home. He has a warrant out for his arrest.
Right.
Out
for
of-
possibly for not doing court or something.
Yep, that's right. Yep, that is right.
And he's calling us saying you're kicking him out of the house.
I just got home from court, like literally just walked in the house. It's been my sister, and he actually hasn't been allowed in my house because he did this
So
the last time, and I had to do a well check because I was at work. So I did tell her not to open the door if he came back, if I'm not here.
you can't do that.
Okay, well either way, he has a warrant out for his arrest, so you guys can deal with it. Okay?
So as a mother,
Okay, I gotta go, okay? I'll call you back.
so I'm pretty sure I know which warrant it is. It was for the incident a couple weeks ago.
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna come outside.
He's not coming to go to flat for that.
Okay. It's not a warrant for that. It was a warrant today because he failed to show up for court. So let me explain to you, officer, what's been going on, okay? So first off, he's kicked my door down before.
Okay.
The whole entire thing. The other day I was at work,
Okay.
and I can't leave work to come and see what's going on. I have small baby children here.
Okay.
And he did this to my door while I was gone. While I was gone, not while I was here.
So, ma'am?
So I did a well check. No, please hear me out first,
Okay.
because I know exactly where you're going with this. Okay? So I asked him on his birthday, which was Tuesday, to get his butt home.
Okay.
He failed to come home. I don't know if he told you that or not, but he failed to come home.
Okay.
Okay, so he went to my sister-in-law's house and has been there since.
Okay.
And I told him, if you're not here by Friday morning in order to go to court, Trey, I'm going to court on my own.
Okay.
Which I did this morning. I went to court on my own. His court was at 9:30, and I will show
It's
you
fine.
where
I'll
I
bring you to
told
court
him.
anyway.
Okay, I told him your court is at 9:30, so
Okay.
you better be here doing what you're supposed to be doing, or I'm going to court on my own.
Okay.
And guess what I did? Because he just got here.
Okay.
So what did I do? I went to court on my own.
Okay.
Okay? So he has a warrant out for his arrest out of out of Adams County right now for
Okay.
failure to appear. And the judge specifically told me, I told her everything that happened, as I'm telling you.
Okay.
And am I kicking him out now? Yeah, he has a warrant out for his arrest. He's not welcome in my home until he gets that taken care of.
Okay.
Okay.
You can't do that.
Yes, I can.
No, you
He's a
cannot.
fugitive. Yes, I can.
You can call. Listen.
Yes, I can.
listen.
What?
I listen to you.
Okay, what?
You can call us if he comes, but you cannot say you can't come in. And if you lock him out, he can kick your door to get in because he lives here.
Ms. Perez confronted Officer Barnum at home, who insisted she couldn't deny entry to Trey, her child, without citing legal grounds. Colorado laws don't mandate parental presence or unconditional entry for children. Ms. Perez objected, citing laws against harboring fugitives. Barnum claimed Trey could legally enter and warned of charges for property damage. When Ms. Perez tried ending the discussion, Barnum forced entry, leading to her arrest, violating her Fourth Amendment rights. Released later, Ms. Perez is suing Barnum, Corliss, and Greeley for damages and rights violations.
Okay, I'm going to tell you something. He may not kick my door.
Okay.
Okay?
If you lock him out, he can.
Okay, I didn't lock him out. My sister did. If he is being a havoc, well, my sister is here babysitting my children.
Okay.
He is not welcome
Then
here.
she needs to call us. You can't kick
Oh,
him
we
out.
did call you. We did call. We did a well check. The officer came in. You can check that.
Okay.
The officer came and did that. He hasn't been home since until today.
Okay.
Today he was locked out again, and the reason that he was locked out was because I wasn't home. When I'm home, then he can come.
That's not how this works.
Too bad, so sad. Goodbye.
No, that's not how. Ma'am, listen. That is not how.
Officer Barnum faced criticism for insufficient investigation, misunderstanding child abandonment laws, and entering Miss Perez's home without justification. The Greeley Police Department's decision to terminate Officer Barnum is applauded, while Miss Perez is praised for defending her civil liberties and seeking legal recourse.
How you doing, officer?
Good, man. How are you doing?
I'm great. God bless the homeless.
Now you're spreading the word, huh?
Yes, sir. God bless the homeless.
How you doing? Thank you.
On December 1st, 2020, YouTuber and First Amendment auditor Jeff Gray was on a public sidewalk outside Citizens First Bank in Lady Lake, Florida. He held a sign saying, "God bless the homeless," while engaging with passersby. Concerned citizens called the Lady Lake police, suspecting him of panhandling.
Lieutenant Sheriff's Office, Lacey.
Yes, hi Lacey. This is Citizens First Bank here at 1129 Main Street.
Okay.
We have the bus terminal across from our drive-through here, and we have a gentleman out here with a hoodie on, shades, holding up a sign. The girls say something about homeless. The girls are feeling very eerie. The girls are just very worried. We only have one in there now.
And the sign, was he a black male, you said?
No, he's white.
And it said something about being homeless?
I think so. That's what the girls said. I can't see it on the cameras.
Okay. I had to call him for you, so it's going to be out there shortly.
Hey, County Sheriff's Office on?
Yes, at the intersection of Carabella and Page Place, there's a white male begging for money, carrying a sign.
Okay. Is he white, black, or Hispanic male?
A white male.
Okay.
He has a knapsack on his back, dark clothing.
Okay. I'll let the officers know.
God bless the homeless.
People are calling and saying that you're screaming at people or something like that.
God bless the homeless.
Are you yelling at people?
God bless the homeless.
Do you have a license with you?
Pray for the homeless this Christmas.
Do you have a license with you?
I can't hear you. Can you speak up?
Do you have a license with you?
God bless
ID
the
card?
God bless the homeless.
Hey, Pa, you know panhandling is illegal in Central Florida, right?
God bless the homeless.
You got an ID card with you?
God bless the homeless.
Is that gonna be a no?
God bless the homeless.
So you gonna get out of here?
God bless the homeless. Are you asking me to get out of here?
We're gonna be right in front of the train station. You got an ID card with you?
God bless the homeless.
That's not what I'm asking.
God bless
I'm
the
asking if you
homeless.
have an ID with you.
Pray for the homeless this Christmas.
What's your name?
God bless the homeless.
What's your name?
God bless the homeless.
If I run that name and it doesn't come back to you, you do realize it's false name to Leo, right?
God bless the homeless.
What's wrong with you, man? Why are you doing this?
God bless the homeless.
Listen, this could be really easy or really difficult.
Mm-hmm.
And you're making it really difficult right now.
God bless the homeless.
Why?
Pray for the homeless this Christmas.
I understand, but you do realize that, you standing here with a sign like that and yelling at people or something like that, they think you're panhandling.
God bless the homeless.
Officer Clark from Lady Lake PD approached Mr. Gray on a sidewalk, suggesting his actions might be panhandling under Florida law. Despite no obstruction of traffic or pedestrians, Officer Clark repeatedly demanded Mr. Gray's ID under suspicion of criminal activity, citing Florida's stop and frisk law without sufficient evidence. He threatened arrest for providing a false name, although Mr. Gray's response did not warrant such action. After Corporal Higgins arrived, Officer Clark left the scene following a brief conversation.
How you doing, officer?
Good, man. How are you doing?
I'm great. God bless the homeless.
Now you're spreading the word, huh?
Yes, sir. God bless the homeless.
How you doing? Thank you.
Pray for the homeless this Christmas. God bless the homeless. Did you guys get a call or something?
Yeah.
What was the call about?
just that someone was out here with some kind of sign, so we just come check it out. See what you're up to.
That's it. Just saying God bless the homeless and pray for the homeless. That's all I'm doing. Spreading the word.
It's your right to do so.
All right.
We just check out if some people ask for money and stuff, and if they're gonna do that, they have to have a permit from the city. So that's the only reason I came over here, just to see what it was all about. If you're just God blessing the homeless, hey, have at it. Bless them. You doing a lot for them? Do you like spread word or something?
In the holidays,
In the
yeah.
holidays?
Yeah.
Help them out. You like charities or something too? Or you just kind of just spread the word?
Just spread the word. Just hopefully people will
Make
think
people
about
aware.
them, pray for them, and do whatever they can to help them. That's
That's
all.
cool, man. I think the bank's the one that called, so I'm see. He went and talked to him. See what they said.
Okay.
And if you're in a public area and you're spreading the word, you're not like jumping in traffic or anything, have at it. But if you go on private property, just so you know, I'm not saying you did, but just so you know, if you go on private property and they ask you to leave the business, you gotta leave. But if you're in a public sidewalk, public area, you're okay.
This is a public sidewalk?
Yeah, sidewalk. Well, I mean, it's owned by the villages, so if somebody from that representative comes and says something, but other than that, like, it's not owned by the bank. So if you're just going to be God blessing the homeless, how about it?
All right. Thank you. Y'all take care.
Have a good day.
Have a Merry Christmas. Happy holidays.
Yep.
Officer Clark received a C- for mishandling the investigation, making unjustified threats, and being confrontational. In contrast, Corporal Higgins was awarded an A+ for handling the situation objectively, treating Mr. Gray respectfully, and fostering productive discussions. Mr. Gray also received an A+ for his calm demeanor, refusal of unlawful demands, and effective management of the interaction. Officer Clark's behavior was criticized as unnecessary and unprofessional, highlighting the positive example set by Corporal Higgins in Mr. Gray's peaceful defense of his rights. On February 12, 2023, Officer Kyle Howe from Toledo PD caught Romero speeding at 77 miles per hour on a city freeway where the limit is 65 miles per hour. Howe stopped Romero, requested his license and insurance. Romero had his license but said his insurance card was at his apartment nearby.
Good evening. What's the hurry tonight?
Nothing. I just picked up my girlfriend from work.
Okay. Do you know how fast you were going?
75 maybe.
Okay. I do have 77. You got your driver's license, insurance? Okay. Does she have an ID?
She does.
Can you use my...
This is her.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay.
I just picked her up from work.
Yeah.
Can I have you jump out so I can talk to you real quick?
That's fine.
What's that, partner? Okay. I'm going to have you turn around and put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah. $45, 1 to 10. Alright. Is that comfortable for you or not? Alright, so you're not under arrest this time, you're just being detained, okay?
That's fine.
Alright, so have you standing here in front of the car. Okay, so when was the last time you smoked?
A couple days ago.
Why would you have it in your pocket? You smoked a couple days ago.
I didn't smoke right now.
Okay, when was the last time you smoked?
I said a couple days ago.
You want to do field sobriety testing for me?
That's fine.
Alright. Got anything on you gonna poker stick me? Do you know you have a bar driver's license? What's that?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yep.
Alright. So you got anything on you gonna poker stick me then? Okay, I just don't want you to catch a felony up for jail, okay? Well, you obviously had that in your pocket, and I don't want you to catch a felony up there.
Well, I don't have anything else in my pocket.
Oh.
That wasn't even in my pocket, so.
Where was it at? Well,
Hey, don't be grabbing me like that, man. Come on, son.
Oh, what? Oh, stop. Stop. What are you doing? I'm not doing nothing to you. I'm not doing nothing to you. Stop. I'm not doing anything. Stop. Yep. Man, come on. Nah. You just hit me out of nowhere. Hey, the camera. You just hit me out of nowhere. Hey, what? Hey, no.
Officer Howe stopped Mr. Romero and Jasmine in Ohio. After a weed pipe fell from their vehicle, Mr. Romero was detained and questioned about marijuana. He was later arrested for driving with a suspended license. A physical altercation ensued when Officer Howe accused Mr. Romero of possessing the pipe, leading to criticism of excessive force and wrongful arrest. Jasmine was also wrongly arrested and subjected to force. The incident highlighted concerns over Officer Howe's conduct, including unnecessary escalation and potential misuse of authority.
I'm resisting.
You tried to kick.
I'm resisting. I never touched you or nothing. You just fucking whacked me. I was restrained.
You tried to kick.
I was restrained.
What are you doing right now?
I'm restrained, man. Stop. What are you doing, man? You're making me extra. You're making unnecessary fucking heels, man. Stop. No, I'm not doing nothing. What am I doing?
Stand up.
I'm being serious. What are you doing?
Rest her too.
What are you doing?
Get up. Stop.
What are you doing, man?
Stand.
How? Hey!
Please. Stop. Pussy. Stop.
Baby, please stop! Babe, please! Why are you
Pulling away from me and trying to kick me as it is.
Why the did you hit me and slam me on the ground that many times?
Is this your pipe?
No,
Whose is it?
I don't know.
Well, it's in the car with you. He said it's not his.
There's a grinder behind the seat. Whose is that? It's pink.
Oh, man.
That's not mine.
That's not yours? Is he going to have your DNA on it?
I don't know.
Okay, turn around and put your hand behind your back. You're under arrest for possession of drug paraphernalia.
In March 2023, Toledo police officer Howe faced allegations of excessive force during a traffic stop following a KCGR video release. Despite previous negative encounters, Mr. Romero and Miss Jasmine opted not to sue the department. The investigation report inaccurately depicted Mr. Romero's arrest, claiming he was placed over a patrol car hood. Officer Howe alleged Romero attempted to kick him, justifying a takedown. Consequently, Howe was placed on leave and resigned on April 24, 2023, amid speculation of evading repercussions.
Is that blood or is it?
Yeah, it's blood.
Oh,
I don't know what the hell happened. He was laying on the ground. I'm gonna find out now.
okay.
Bye.
The mayor of Rochester was shocked when a man had a medical emergency, got ejected from an ambulance, collapsed on the sidewalk, and died despite paramedics and police being present. She wondered if there's a constitutional right against being removed from an ambulance in such emergencies.
That footage will show an ambulance stopping on a city street. It shows Rochester police officers being called by EMTs to this ambulance. But it shows a person having trouble breathing and being asked to leave the ambulance and wait on the street.
I don't know what's wrong with him, but he will not get out of our truck.
Okay.
And he's got to go.
Sir, it's a wrap. Looks like they want you out.
I couldn't breathe.
They want you out, sir. No fight at
We
this
tried
time.
to help,
We're just
honey,
trying to get him
but
out.
the way that you got in here and the way that you just jumped at us, that was no.
All right, sir. Come on.
way of
Come on.
somebody asking for help.
No games. Get out.
I'm getting out.
Thank you.
No.
Okay.
277 outlet.
Honey, you told us you had pain from drinking water, and then you came in and you jumped at me and my partner and demanded oxygen. You would not let go of me.
247, same traffic. 47, same traffic.
He grabbed my partner's
I'm freaking out.
All right.
You freak out too if you can't breathe.
I hear you. I probably try to control myself a little bit better. I'm not going to grab on anybody. You know what I mean?
No, I'm trying to grab for the door. I'm trying to get out of here.
Okay. Okay. Now's your chance. All right. All right.
Thank you.
Is that all you guys want, though? Then just out.
277, we should be set for cars.
Just grab that yellow handle right there, and that should help you out.
277, all set for cars. Did you take me to the hospital, man?
No.
We tried to take you, but honey, that was unacceptable. There was no reason for that. There was no issue.
There's a yellow handle right next to you. All right, or not. That's it. That's all you drop.
You
Okay.
want your water?
Sidewalk's right over there.
Because he's freaking out. I don't know what's wrong with him, but he's got to go. I don't know what he's going to do, but we're not taking him.
myself a little bit better. I'm not going to grab on anybody. You know what I mean?
No, I'm trying to grab for the door. I'm trying to get out of here. Okay.
Now's your chance. All right. All right.
277, we should be set for cars.
277, all set for cars. Did you take me to the hospital, man?
No.
We tried to take you, but honey, that was unacceptable. There was no reason for that. There was no issue.
There's a yellow handle right next to you. All right, we're not.
They forced him out of the ambulance. He walks to a bench, trying to sit, but struggling. Eventually, he falls off. Police and medics stand around. After a while, they notice and come to help. The issue with American policing and government is the lack of compassion, like caring for a mother. Getting such a case to a jury is tough. Imagine showing the footage to a jury. A man on the ground, ignored by police and medics. It's powerful without words. Just play the footage in court and let the silence speak.
Is that blood or is that? Yeah, it's blood. Oh, I don't know what the hell happened. He was laying on the ground. I'm gonna find out now. Okay. Bye. Boss.
Oh. I grabbed your phone.
Just roll him over. What happened? Just lay down. He started to lay down.
Oh my god.
Grab my monitor.
Is your car locked?
It's unlocked. Monitor and drug box.
Here's what we know at this point. We know that police were called to the ambulance to address some type of situation. We also know that the police were there to hold this medical scene. And I can tell you that even though this was not a police incident, because we are not getting information from AMR as of yet, although we have issued a letter and we have subpoenaed records, we are asking our professional standard service from the police department to also help with this investigation, because even though this was a medical scene, there are always lessons to be learned, particularly as it relates to what type of ambulance services or medical services our community are experiencing. I have asked AMR to conduct its own in-depth investigation into what happened that night. I want to understand why they chose to call the police. I want to understand why personnel required someone in distress to be removed from an ambulance instead of being taken directly to the hospital. We must get to the bottom of this. We must understand how and why this occurred, and we must identify processes and safeguards to ensure that this does not ever happen again. And most importantly, we must make sure that those who are caring for city residents provide them with the same level of care and compassion that they will provide their own loved ones.
Police officers are generally required to provide medical care to individuals in their custody or under arrest, as mandated by constitutional amendments. However, if someone is not clearly in custody or formally arrested, officers may not have the same duty. The U.S. Supreme Court has ruled that police do not have a general obligation to protect individuals or provide medical assistance unless they are in custody. This legal principle is often cited in lawsuits against police, suggesting it could impact outcomes unless challenged effectively by legal strategies.
No parking on the parkway. You're saying you just pulled over. Okay, but you're parked. You were parked. You were stopped on the parkway and you were parked.
This video is another example of how police go to extreme lengths to get your ID. Just like the last one I shared, where an officer stopped an adult for no reason other than to ask for his ID. This one shows similar nonsensical actions by police in their insistence on ID from this man.
So I'm here, and I pulled on the side of the road because I had... It sounded like it hit something, like something in the road. It could have been a rock or some debris, and I pulled over to the side well off the highway so I could check it safely, and a police guy asks if I'm okay, pulls up behind me. I said, yeah, I'm fine. I'm just checking, my tires are good. I don't have a flat. Then he demands me that I give him my license. So he wants to check it. So, hey, what probable cause do you have to check? I pulled over on the side of the road, well off the road, and everything is good. I just want to go on my way. He, right now, is detaining me and went back to his car to run my plates. And I have every right to say, unless you have probable cause, you can't ask me for an identification. We do not live in a police state. And he's still in there at this point. I am being detained from going from point A to point B with no reason. Simply because I checked my car, because I hit something, again, some debris in the road or something, and it made a big clunk, and it was obviously wise of me to do that. Yes.
Okay.
I told you everything's good.
Yeah, it is, but I don't understand why you just didn't want to show me a license. I wouldn't even have to have done that.
Because it's illegal, that's why.
No, it's not illegal.
Yes,
I'm just telling you. Okay, listen, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go back to the car, right? I'm going to write you out the ticket, and when you go to the court, you tell the judge, this ticket is illegal. You want to do that?
No.
Okay, so do you still believe it's illegal?
No.
What part do you think is illegal? Tell me. Because I've already explained
to
it to you.
To detain someone with no cause.
Okay, see, there you go again. Oh, no cause. What do you mean no cause? I already told you. Your car is parked on the parkway. Section 182.
If something happens to a car and you have to check it,
right.
I'm liable to get a ticket because I want to check my car to make sure that I can drive
You're not liable to get a ticket for that, but the thing is, if you're stopped on the parkway, if you're stopped like you are now, parked, the police have the right to ascertain who you are. They don't know. What if you're driving a stolen car? How do they know that? What if you're wanted? You know how many times? Let me tell you how many times the police have come upon a situation like this. I have found drunk drivers like this all the time. That's why I said you have been drinking before.
Right, and I
because you're like turning your head the other way, like you didn't want me to smell your breath or something. So that right there was making me suspicious. Okay. Also, people have been found who are wanted for murder, just for simple little things like this. Okay, you keep saying that it's illegal. I've already explained it to you like 5 times that it's not illegal. I'm already telling you, section 182.27, I repeat it for like the 5th or the 6th time.
Basically, these videos speak for themselves. No need for legal disclaimers. They clearly show cops behaving like tyrants. I wanted to share one involving a New York State trooper. Couldn't catch his name or badge number. There's not much to see, but listen closely to hear the whole interaction.
No parking on the parkway. You're saying you just pulled over. Okay, but you're parked. You are parked. You were stopped on the parkway and you are parked.
For a reason. To make sure I don't have a flat tire or nothing had damaged my undercarriage.
But do I know that? Do I know that?
I told you that.
Okay, but that's why I got to come over. And then I got to find out, okay, who are you? Who is this guy? How do I know you just didn't escape from a prison somewhere up north?
Well, because we live in a free country. And,
I know that. See,
but
what's that got to do with what I just explained to you?
No.
We live in a free world. I know that. We live in a free country. I know that.
Right. Well,
but you're trying to say that I had no right to A, question you, and B, that I had no right to ask you for your ID.
Right.
And you're wrong.
Right.
And you're wrong.
Well, we'll have to agree to disagree. But
okay,
number one, I do appreciate you checking on me. Number one, to make sure that, that was okay and that that was,
But you got to understand, when you come off with that attitude, like, what is this? Why do I have to show it to you? And then you're saying that I yelled at you, that I raised my voice. Come on.
You were.
Please.
Right. But anyway, everything's good. And as you saw,
everything's good. Listen, I'm going to give you 2 warnings. I'm going to give you a warning for parking on the parkway.
All right.
Okay, and 2 for failure to produce your license. Okay?
All right.
Like I said, I still don't understand where you're coming with this. Like, you think that if I had no right to stop you, it doesn't. Come on. Do you really believe that we live in a police state where there's all kinds of...
Well, I'm going from point A to point B, and I'm asked to show my papers,
I
basically.
guarantee you, listen, just remember, the next time this happens, when you stop like this, the next police officer might not be anywhere near as nice as I've been.
Okay, right.
I guarantee you. And it's not because I'm afraid to take you in, because I'm not.
Right.
Let me tell you something. For my department, I make more arrests than any other officer in the entire state. So it's not that I'm afraid to bring you in.
Right.
But I'm just telling you right now.
I understand.
That the next time that another situation happens like this, you're going to run into the wrong police officer and you will be arrested with that kind of attitude.
Okay.
I'm telling you right now.
All right.
Okay?
Okay.
Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. So you heard that for yourself. As you probably heard, he just said he arrests more people than anyone else. And he told me not that he's afraid to take me in.
Parking, standing, or stopping on the parkway in New York is generally prohibited under Section 182.27, unless there are specific exceptions. The exceptions include designated spots authorized by the authority or stopping in emergencies. In emergencies, vehicles can be parked on the shoulder or grass areas to the right of the road, facing the direction of traffic. So, if someone's car seemed to have a flat tire or was damaged while driving, pulling over would be allowed under this emergency exception. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below this video to help us spread the message about the importance of transparency and justice in law enforcement. Thank you for supporting the U.S. Bad Cops channel.